Hey, Lifestyle Warriors, it is Belinda Byfield here, and I am going to share my screen, so just give me a hot second. Today, we are going to talk about the comp plan, which I actually love talking about because I'm the type of person that if I know how to achieve something, I can reverse engineer it and achieve my goals. And so I'm just going to bring this up to full screen. Slideshow, play from start. Okay, so we're going to talk about how to make an income while making an impact and on your terms. As I said, my name is Belinda Byfield. I am the co-founder of Lifestyle Warriors, which is our team that I just love so much. So our compensation plan pays 5 ways. Number 1 is fast start commissions, and I'm going to break each of these ones down on separate slides, so you'll get an in-depth look into each of them. But an overview is number 1, fast start commissions. Number 2, Premier 20 and Elite 40. Number 3, team commissions. Number 4, lifestyle bonus. And number 5 is the leadership pools. So you start with personal effort, and then as you build a team and your organization grows, more of the comp plan segments start opening up. So I'm going to, as I say, go through each of them with you. So number 1 is fast start commissions. 100% of your income will come from fast start commissions at the beginning and until you rank to Builder 500, which is our second rank in the comp plan. If you want to know more about ranks, I do have another video about the different ranks and what is required personal sponsorship wise, Builder 500 wise, volume wise, etc. on that. So you can go have a look at that. But basically what it is anyone that you personally sponsor as a customer or a member, you will earn FSC, which stands for Fast Start Commissions, as long as you are active. So as long as you are an active 75 or an active 150, you'll earn Fast Start Commissions on all your new people. Now, you basically get to choose your income. Do you want to be making 15%? Or do you want to be making 25%? I know for me, as I build my business, I don't want to leave any money on the table. So I make sure that I'm always active 150. Now our solution bundles, we have 6 of them, are all 150 PB. Now because Zija International is an international company, not all currencies are the same. So every single product has a PV attached to it, which stands for product volume, so that everything can be measured based on product volume. So if you're an active 75, which simply means that your ZRP, your Zija Rewards purchase, or your auto ship is set up at 75 PB. So you might have a case of XM Plus come out to you once a month. Or you could be active 150, and that means you've got 150 points worth of product. It could be 2 cases of Supermix or one of the bundles coming out to you every month. Once every 28 days they run. So if you're active 75 and you have a new customer buy from you or a new member join you on one of the solution bundles, you're going to make $22.50. Now that is 15% of the 150 PB. If you're an active 150, which I highly encourage you to set yourself up from the very beginning to be maxing out the comp plan, then you're going to be making $37.50 from that same sale. So do you want to make $22.50 each time or $37.50 each time? And it all adds up. So I know I want to give myself the absolute best chance of success. Now, let's say you wanted to make $100 in a week. Number 1, you need to become active, which, as I said, I recommend being an active 150. Share with 3 people. So as you are using these incredible products, you can't not share your journey, right? As you're building this business, you're going to go through a lot of our training. I'm currently in the process of creating a Lifestyle Warriors University where I teach you all the things on how to market your business using social media and share your journey along the way, which are then going to attract people to you to join you on that journey. People love doing things together, right? And they want what you have. So share with 3 people. They start on one of the solution bundles. you are going to make 3 times of that $37.50, which is $112.50. Plus, if that's within your first 3 months, you'd qualify for your order next month to be free with our 3 and Free program. And please note that all of the income examples that I'm giving, so the $22.50, the $37.50, the $112.50, that's all US dollars. So depending on where you live, it will convert to your currency once you've transferred it to your bank account from Paylution. All right, so that's that one. Fast Start commissions, done. Next, we have Premier 20 and Elite 40. So these are monthly. These are monthly benchmarks for you to hit to move your business forward and achieve your goals. So Premier 20 is simply earning 20 points per period. Elite 40 is earning 40 points per period. A period is a month. So we have 4 cycles, cycle 1, 2, 3, and 4. And each time there's that, those 4 cycles go through, that's a period. So we don't work in months, we work in periods. It gives us actually an extra month's worth of bonuses over the year because there ends up being 13 periods in a year, which means you get paid more, which is awesome. So how do you earn points? You earn 1 point from enrolling someone on a 75 PV order, which could be a box of Super Mix. You get a point from having their second order be 75 points. And when you qualify for Premier, you get another point. You earn 3 points by having a 150 PV enrollment order. So that's one of the solution bundles, which is how I've built my business on those 150 PV orders. You also get 3 points if it's someone's third order, that's 75 PV or above. And if you qualify for the lifestyle bonus, which we'll get into a little bit later. You earn 5 points if you have someone start on a 250 PV order, 5 points if they have their 4th order go through, and if you qualify for Elite. And then the big points come in. When you personally rank advance, you get 10 points. And when someone that you have sponsored personally rank advances, you also get 10 points. Anyone that you enroll as a member of your team and they rank advance, they get 10 points, but you get 10 points as well because you've helped them. The first goal is Premier 20. And I truly believe in reverse engineering your goals. So a period consists, as I said, of 4 cycles. And if you focus on 5 points per cycle, then by the end, you're going to have those 20 points. So ask yourself, what can I do in my business this week to earn 5 points? It's all written there on the table. You just got to take action. Now, once you are a Premier 20 consistently, I encourage you to then have your target be to hit that by the end of cycle 2. That way, you then have the last 2 cycles to then pour into your team more to help more other people qualify for Premier 20. Plus, you can start building up extra points to then qualify at Elite 40. At Premier 20, you earn a free Zija Rewards purchase, which is your auto ship. And at Elite 40, you not only get that, but you also get an extra $250 bonus. Now, Premier Club and Elite Club are sort of follow-ons from the Premier 20 and Elite 40, and they are yearly benchmarks that come with exclusive summit bonuses. So if you're hitting Premier 20 every month, you're going to be Premier Club. If you're hitting Elite 40 every month, you're going to be Elite Club, which, as I said, comes with all these awesome extra things at Summit, which is the event of the year and not to be missed. Okay, number 3 is team commissions. Now, this is where the fun kicks in for me because these are the rewards of building a team. So let me ask you this question. Would you prefer to make 100% of your own effort or 1% from 100 people's effort? Can you work 100 hours in a day? No. Can 100 people work 1 hour a day? Yes, they can. That's a leverage. So you have 2 teams to build. You have a left team and you have a right team. And we make 10% of our lesser teams. As you can see in the example, if your left team has 600 points on it, and again, those points are all from the PV, and then your right team has 500 points on it, what's less? What's the lesser amount? The 500, right? So 10% of 500 is $50. So set your weekly residual income goal and then reverse engineer it. If you want to be making $50 extra a week, which is then the $200 a month, that could be, you know, your phone bill or your power bill, or if you want to be making $500 a week, so that's $2,000 a month because you want to pay your mortgage. Reverse engineer how much you'll need to get to that level. Now, team commissions opens up at Builder 500. So once you have rank advanced to the rank of Builder 500, which is the second rank and should be everybody's goal as the foundation of building your organization, then that's when you'll start seeing team commissions. Okay, next one is the lifestyle bonus. Now, this is super duper fun because this is just an extra cash bonus reward that you get for helping your people grow and helping your team win and have success. So it's an extra bonus each period for building your business and building your team. It opens up at gold. So once you achieve the rank of gold and have 15,000 sponsor tree volume over the period, then you get these cash bonuses. From gold to platinum, it's 300, and then all the way up, it goes up to 800 extra per cycle cash that's paid out in cycle 4. So all these cool extra bonuses that come in just simply from doing what you're already doing and helping your team. The fifth way is with our leadership pools, and these are the rewards of developing leadership. You can earn between 6 and 12% from the leadership that you develop in your organization, and it opens up at Emerald. So once you rank advance to Emerald, you look into your organization and look at all the bronze plus leaders that you have, and you earn 6 to 12% based on what their business is doing. So that's why it's so important not to only lead by example and build your own personal business, continue to sponsor new members, continue to share with new customers, but also reaching down, pouring into your leaders, because then once you get to Emerald, you're going to get those extra bonuses. And one of my favorite quotes of all time is by Zig Ziglar, and it is, when you help enough people get what they want, you get what you want. And this leadership pool is a perfect example of that. So I know for me, I'm a very red personality, but I want to max out everything. If I know there's money on the table and I'm building a business, I want to make sure that I'm set up for success to max out the comp plan. So these are the maxes you can make in regards to team commissions, which is your residual income at each of the ranks, to give you a bit of an idea of what a goal could be for you, and then you can reverse engineer it. This is actually a screenshot from the Impact Rewards plan. So if you want a copy for yourself, just go into your back office or the Zija Champions page, download the Impact Rewards plan, and it's going to be there for you. But let's say your current big vision goal could be that, okay, I want to be earning $2,000 a week. Like, that would change my life, like completely change my life. You look here and you know platinum, right? At platinum, the average is, or the max in regards to the team commissions, is $2,000. So then you look at platinum. Okay, what do I need to do to achieve that? How many Builder 500s do I need? How much volume do I need? Where is my business at right now? How much volume do I have on my left leg? How much volume do I have on my right leg? Do I have any Builder 500s? Who's close to Builder 500? Who can I help get to Builder 500? So you can reverse engineer all of that. And then at Black Diamond, you can actually open up a new business center and basically brand yourself and start building a second business for yourself after you've maxed out your own business. So that's pretty cool. So that is our compensation plan. If you have any questions, what I encourage you to do is get back in touch with your sponsor. And if you don't know who that is, it's the person that shared Zija with you, the person who signed you up. You may have started as a customer and then upgraded to a member later, or you've come in like I did and was like, this business opportunity is amazing, I'm going to make the most of it. And if you're still not sure who that is, You can just log into your MBO, my back office, the Zija back office at myzija.com, and go to Leadership Lifeline. It's under Team and Resources, and it will actually tell you who your sponsor is, who their sponsor is, all the way up to the top where David Moses sits, who is our master distributor, who was the first person to ever get started with this company. So I hope that all made sense. Watch it as many times as you need to, but set a goal for yourself, set a weekly goal, a monthly goal, a yearly goal, reverse engineer it, figure out what you need to do to achieve that, and then we can move on to your next goal. And I am so excited for you, and I will be cheering you on along the way. All right, bye guys.